Hey everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is a slow cooker corn bacon chowder. It was delicious, and my mom used a secret ingredient instead of potatoes, so make sure you watch. Don't tell the kids. Shh. Anyway, it's really great. I love bacon, so you can't go wrong with bacon. And it's just, corn makes that sweet flavor. It's just a great combination. We really enjoyed it. So hopefully you guys will give this one a try. Something to keep you warm during this winter season. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog out.
So we're making a crock pot bacon corn chowder. We're using the Instapot on slow cook. Now, I am not using one of the ingredients in this. I'm using a substitute that's healthier. And I'm not telling the kids what it is, but it's this. Instead of a pound of potatoes, I used 2 bags of this. So it's already cooked, so there's really no need to make potatoes tender. So we're gonna do 2 hours on high. Slow cook. And remember, when you do the slow cook, you have to have it on venting, not sealing. All right, here's what's in there. Let me tell you what it is. I got the lid on venting. 2 hours on high. Okay, so we have 2 of these instead of a pound of potatoes. We have 24 ounces of corn. You can use 24 ounces of frozen corn, which I had 2 bags here, or you can use 2 12-ounce cans of corn. You just have to drain them. And then half a cup of onion, so I use that. Then 3 cups of chicken broth, so I use that. But instead of just salt and pepper, you do like a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper. I did this. This is one of my favorite things. I get it from Sam's. It's called the blend. It is salt, pepper, and garlic. And why this recipe didn't call for garlic, I'm not real sure. But I think it should have some. So I put 2 teaspoons of this in there. All right, so that's gonna cook. And then I'll show you what we do next. All right, our corn bacon chowder is almost done. So what I did was, you have to add a half a pound of bacon. You're supposed to cook it, but work smart, not hard. I had bacon bits, so I did a cup of bacon bits that are already cooked and ready to go. And then you make a slurry of, it's supposed to be half and half, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. So I don't have half and half, so I used a cup of heavy cream and then a cup of coconut milk unsweetened, and then the 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and here it is. And you beat it together, and then you pour it in here along with the bacon. I really don't know how you could go wrong with this one. I mean, bacon, corn, there's nothing wrong with any of that. And then we're gonna stir it all together. Stir, and let it thicken. And we're gonna cook it on high in our slow cooker for 10 to 15 more minutes until it's thickened. Okay, so here it is, it's done. Slow cooker corn bacon chowder. And that definitely thickened it, adding that slurry, so. And it tastes delicious, I just tried it. It's got that sweet corn flavor to it. It's very good. Hope you guys give it a try. Stay warm.